In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Microsoft Word while keeping all the text inside intact. This is a handy skill to have when you want to reformat your document but still preserve your content. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to open up your Microsoft Word file where the table resides. Navigating to your document might be a simple task, but identifying exactly where your table is, especially in a lengthy document, can sometimes be tricky. Once you've located the table that you wish to delete but want to keep the text inside, the next thing to do is select the table. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the table to highlight it. Make sure you've highlighted just the table you want to work with and no extra spaces or paragraphs, to avoid unwanted changes to the formatting outside the table. Next, head over to the Layout tab on the top menu of Word. This tab offers several options relating to tables and is not to be confused with the Page Layout tab. Under the Layout tab, you'll find a group called Data. This group contains various options, but the one you are interested in today is Convert to Text. Click on that option. This initiates the process that allows you to neatly extract your text from the confines of the table structure. As soon as you click Convert to Text, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box is basically asking you how you would like the text to be separated once the table is removed. The default option here is Tabs, and for our purpose today, we will keep it set to that. Tabs will ensure the content that was separated by the table's columns will be spaced adequately, maintaining readability. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click OK, and there you have it. You've successfully converted the table into text, keeping the content but disposing of the table structure. This process can be particularly useful when importing table data from other sources like spreadsheets, and you just want to work with plain text in Word. It keeps the text accessible and manageable, letting you format it as needed without the confinements of the table structure. This is a quick and efficient way to get rid of the table format while preserving your information, and it comes in handy more often than you'd think. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.